आदिमूलं क्रिस्तुनामम् अखिलभूतजातकम् आदिमूलं क्रिस्तुनामम् अखिलभूतजातकम् अतितरण सुगुणनाथन् आदिमूलं क्रिस्तुनामम् अखिलभूतजातकम्.
My dear friends, brothers and sisters, I would like to share with you the importance of Holy Saturday with a short story. Once a little girl came from a neighbor's house where her little friend had died. "Where did you go?" questioned her father. "To comfort her mother," replied the child. "What could you do to comfort her?" The father continued. "I climbed onto her lap and cried with her," answered the child. We have a human right to our sorrow. A morality which rebukes sorrow rebukes love. When the tears of bereavement have had their natural flow, they lead us again to life and love's generous joy. This is resurrection. That is our hope for tomorrow. Today, we are sitting silently, grieving with our sorrowful Blessed Mother, who represents many of those mothers who are experiencing deep grief. We sit with these mothers, feel with them, comfort them, and help their hearts to cope with grief. Happiness is beneficial for the body, but it is grief properly taken that develops our character. Grief knits two hearts in closer bonds than happiness ever can. And common suffering is a far stronger link than common joy. At the same time, we should not romanticize grief. A Chinese proverb rightly says, "You cannot prevent the birds of sorrow from flying over your head, but you can prevent them from building nets in your hair." Love is dead. Peace has disappeared, and joy is buried in today's globalized world, where the whole cosmos is undergoing pain of coronavirus. However, hope is still alive. As Christians, we are Easter people of resurrection and of undying hope. We know very well that in the mystery of salvation, emptying comes before filling, passion comes before glory, and death comes before resurrection. Tomorrow, we will rise with Christ and sing the joyful Easter song, Hallelujah. Till then, let us be with our Blessed Mother and learn from her. My dear brothers and sisters, wish you all a happy Easter as we celebrate life and rise to a new life. May the risen Lord bless us all with His peace, love and joy.
आदिमूलं क्रिस्तुनामम् अखिलभूतजातकम् आदिमूलं क्रिस्तुनामम् अखिलभूतजातकम् अतितरण सुगुणनाथन् आदिमूलं क्रिस्तुनाम अखिलभूतजातके